Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Sammy, and we're working on ankle strengthening ideas for people who are toe walkers. So again, we're on the rocker board, and we're working on being able to push down or plantar flex your feet, and then being able to pull up. So down is plantar flexion, up is dorsiflexion. So we're working on that movement, which is often very tricky for people who are toe walkers. We're doing the advanced version this time. He's got his feet together. He's facing toward me on the rocker board, and he's trying to rock it forward and back. So here we go, forward and back. Forward, oh, come further forward and back. It's a little tricky on this surface, so I'm gonna try rocking it for him. You ready? Whoop, whoop, whoop. The difficulty of this is speed dependent. So the faster I go, you ready? The harder it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. You can set up a metronome and be able to document how fast you went to make this harder and easier. Sammy, could you do the one where you were all the way off the back? You were on the very back. There you go. And that's another, just an easy way to get that ankle stretch right off the edge of the rocker board. Nicely done. How far you go back really is dependent on how much ankle range you have. See how much range that requires? For my toe walkers with the tightness in their ankles, this would be very, very tricky. I hope this is a helpful idea for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.